Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am here to show you guys the TN10 by True North. So True North is basically going to be the economy line by Pacific Energy. Pacific Energy is a Travis Industries brand. They have a very good reputation in the industry, and what I like about this product is their economy line is not going to be built in China. So as I always state, we never ever sell Chinese products, so I'm constantly looking for something kind of more in a budget-friendly price point for you guys that meets our quality standards. So the TN10 is going to be the smallest model in the True North line. As you can see here, this model's pretty cute and tiny. Opening up inside the firebox, they have a nice gasket system that you can see here. The firebox is pretty small in here, like I'm gonna say maybe a 12, maybe a 14-inch log is gonna fit up in here. Inside the firebox, it is just going to have a standard size fire brick. So I talked to you guys a lot about that. I like models that have standard size fire brick. So when it comes down to needing replacement parts, if you have children that just kind of throw the wood in there carelessly and you break them, super easy. You can pick it up at any local hardware store. Up at the top of the stove, you do have the baffle system and the reburn tubes, as well as an air wash. So you're going to have a nice clean burning glass on the stove. Your damper control is going to be located at the bottom of the stove here, and that is going to actually be your only damper control on the model. This is going to be a top vent stove only, and it does take a standard 6-inch flue. So this will be a non-catalytic wood stove model. Again, this is the TN10 by True North. I hope you guys found this video overview helpful. If you did, please don't forget, just give it a quick little thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.